Good morning everyone. Welcome to science class. In today's class, we are learning a new lesson about eating habits. Okay? Good eating habits make us healthy. What are those eating habits? What are the good eating habits? We will learn in this lesson. Okay? We have some points on the board. Look here. Always eat fresh food. Okay? We have to eat only fresh food. Mother cooks food, no? At that time, we have to eat fresh food. Do not eat staple food. Okay? Second one. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Okay? Before eating, we have to wash your hands. And after eating also, we have to wash our hands. Okay? Next one. Eat slowly and chew well. Do not gulp the food. Okay? We have to take small pieces, eat slowly, and we have to chew the food well. Okay? Do not eat uncovered food. Like street vendors, they will sell the food. There all the dust particles or flies sit on the food. So we should not eat like that food. We have to eat fresh food, that is covered one. Okay? Do not overeat. If you like any dish, we will eat the same food. We will eat more quantities. And afterwards we will feel, Mummy, stomach is paining. You will say no. So do not overeat. We should eat the food in limited quantity. Drink plenty of water. We have to drink more water. After eating, you should not drink. In the middle gaps from morning to evening, for each and every hour, we have to sip some water. Okay? Next one. Eat different kinds of food. What are the different kinds of food? Like fruits, vegetables, different types of curries. We have to eat different kinds. If you like one curry, don't eat same curry all days. We have to try different dishes. We have to eat different varieties of food items. Okay? Next, whatever your mother cooks, you have to eat those food items. Don't ask for the same aloo fry daily. Some people like aloo fry, they eat daily aloo fry. So you have to eat all kinds of vegetables. Okay? Do not talk or laugh while eating. Most people while eating, they will be speaking only. Otherwise they will be watching TV and laughing. So we should not do those things. While eating, we should not talk, we should not watch TV, we should not speak over the phones also. You have to keep the phones aside. You will be always watching Cartoon Network. Huh? Yes or no? Tell me. You will be watching cartoons or watching TV. Don't do like that while eating. Okay? Avoid buying food items from vendors. If we go outside, if you go outside with your parents, don't ask for the food items that are displayed outside. Because most of the street vendors, they are selling their food items outside before more traffic will be there. So, dust particles attract the food. We should not eat that kind of food. Eat at regular intervals. We have to, don't eat bulk amount of food at a time. We have to eat little quantities at regular intervals. Okay? Small quantities in regular intervals. This is our lesson. And I will give you words from this lesson. Note it down. Now look at the board. We have some words on the board. Read these words with spellings. Fresh. F-R-E-S-H, fresh. Wash, W-A-S-H, wash. Slowly, S-L-O-W-L-Y, slowly. Chew, C-H-E-W, chew. Uncovered, U-N-C-O-V-E-R-E-D, uncovered. Drink, D-R-I-N-K, drink. Plenty, P-L-E-N-T-Y, plenty. Laugh, L-A-U-G-H, laugh. Regular, R-E-G-U-L-A-R, regular. Vendors, V-E-N-D-O-R-S, vendors. Write this neatly, say and write in your notebooks. Look at the board, we have fill in the blanks. Read this sentence, fill up the blank. We should eat dash food. We should eat fresh food. F-R-E-S-H, fresh. We should eat fresh food. We must drink plenty of water. W-A-T-E-R, water. We must drink plenty of water. Do not dash while eating. Do not talk or laugh. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. Do not laugh while eating. The midday meal is called lunch. L-U-N-C-H, lunch. The midday meal is called lunch. Now look at the board. Put correct or wrong. After reading the sentences, which one is a good habit? We have to put correct. Which one is a bad habit? We have to put wrong. Okay? Read the sentence first. Swallow the food without chewing. Is it correct? No, we have to chew our food well, no? So put a wrong mark. Eat a lot of food at a time. Eat a lot of food? No. Put wrong mark. Do not buy food items from vendors. Yes. So put correct mark. Eat the same kind of food all times? No. Put wrong mark. Okay? Next. Look here. Take the pictures that show correct action. Look at these pictures. He is buying the food from outside. So put a wrong mark. This is not a good habit. He is praying before eating his food. This is good habit. Put correct mark. He is sitting near the dining table and eating his food properly. So it is a good habit. Put correct mark. Look at this picture. He is eating on the bed. Is it correct? No. So put a wrong mark. Next, look at this picture. He is standing outside and eating his food. Is it a good habit? No. Put a wrong mark. Look at this picture. He is watching TV and eating his food. Is it a good habit? No. Put a wrong mark. Okay? Okay children, with this we have completed our lesson. So what we have learned from this lesson? We have to follow good healthy habits. Okay? To be healthy. Hello everyone, welcome to English class. In today's class, we have to fill this table. Here we have some words given. Look at this table, one, more than one. We have to arrange these words according to their category. Okay? boy. It is only one, no? Where we have to write? In one. Okay? B-O-Y, boy. Okay. Next, men. Is it singular or plural? Plural. We have to fill it in more than one. So write here M-E-N, men. Next, king. Is it one or more than one? One only. So write here in one. K-I-N-G, king. Doors. Is it one or more than one? More than one. So write here more than one. Doors. D-O-O-R-S. Doors. Next. Flower. Is it one or more than one? It is one. So write here flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Next, what is this? Book. Write in one. B-O-O-K. Book. Next, kites. More than one. So write here kites. Next, light. Only one. So write in one. L-I-G-H-T, light. Radios. More than one. Radios. Shirts. More than one. Next, crows. It is also more than one. So here we have blanks, no? What we have to do? We have to fill these blanks. Boy, one. So we have to write more than one for boy. What is more than one for boy? Boys, boys. Right here. B-O-Y-S, boys. Now this is plural form. You have to write singular form. Men, man. Write down man. King, kings. K-I-N-G-S, kings. Door, doors is given. We have to write door. D-O-O-R, door. Flower, flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Book, books. B-O-O-K-S, books. Kites, kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Light, lights. L-I-G-H-T-S, lights. Radio, radios, radio. R-A-D-I-O, radio. Shirts, shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Crows, crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Repeat one time, okay? Boy, boys. Man, men. King, kings. Door, doors. Flower, flowers. Book, books. Kite, kites. Light, lights. Radio, radios. Shirt, shirts. Crow, crows. Write down in this textbook.
హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు క్లాస్. ఈ రోజు మన తెలుగు క్లాస్ లో జా గుణింతము నేర్చుకోబోతున్నాం. ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాము? క, గ, చ. నెక్స్ట్ లెటర్ జా. రాయడం ఎలా అనేది నేను చూపిస్తాను. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యు లుక్ హియర్ చిల్డ్రన్. జా. జాకి దీర్ఘం. జాకి దీర్ఘం ఇస్తే జా. నెక్స్ట్ జాకి గుడి. జాకి గుడి ఇస్తే జీ. జాకి గుడి దీర్ఘం ఇస్తే జీ, గుడి దీర్ఘం పైకి ఉండాలి. జాకి కొమ్మిస్తే తలకట్టు ఉంది కదా, కొమ్ము ఇలా. జాకి కొమ్మిస్తే జూ. జాకి కొమ్ము దీర్ఘం ఇస్తే జూ. ఏంటంటే కొమ్ము ఎక్కడ ఇవ్వాలి అనేది కొంతమందికి తెలియదు, పక్కన ఇస్తుంటారు, అలా ఇవ్వకూడదు. జాకి కొమ్ము, జాకి కొమ్ము దీర్ఘం. నెక్స్ట్ జాకి రుత్వం, జా రాసి రుత్వం. జాకి రుత్వం ఇస్తే జృ. జాకి రుత్వ దీర్ఘం, రుత్వం దీర్ఘం. జాకి రుత్వ దీర్ఘం ఇస్తే జృ. నెక్స్ట్ జాకి ఏత్వం, జాకి ఏత్వం. లైన్ పైకి ఉండాలి, ఏత్వం. జాకి ఏత్వ దీర్ఘం. జాకి ఐత్వం, జాకి ఐత్వం ఇస్తే జై. నెక్స్ట్ జాకి ఓత్వం, లైన్ పైన ఉండాలి, ఓత్వం. జాకి ఓత్వ దీర్ఘం. ఓకే, జాకి ఓత్వ దీర్ఘం. నెక్స్ట్ జాకి ఔత్వం, జాకి ఔత్వం ఇస్తే జౌ. నెక్స్ట్ జాకి సున్నా పెడితే జం. జాకి ఒక సున్నా, జా పక్కన ఒక సున్నా పెడితే జం. జాకి రెండు సున్నాలు, జా పక్కన ఎన్ని, రెండు సున్నాలు పెడితే జహ. చూడండి ఒకసారి. జా, జా. జి, జీ. జు, జూ. జు, జృ. జే, జే, జై. జో, జో, జౌ. జం, జహ. అర్థమైందా? ఓకే, మీరందరూ మీ నోట్బుక్ లో చాలా నీట్ గా రాయాలి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hindi class. Today we are going to learn Barakadi letter Ja. Okay, in previous class we have learned Ka, Kha, Ga and now Cha also we have learned. Okay, Cha, next Ja. Today we will practice letter Ja. Okay children, look here. Ja. This is letter Ja. Ja. We have to keep A ki matra. Okay. Ja. 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 Next E ki matra. You have to write from right to left. E ki matra. G. Next badi E ki matra. G. You have to write from left to right. Ja. Ja. G. G. Next U ki matra. Ju. You have to write here. Ju. Choti U ki matra. Next badi U ki matra. Ju. Okay, this side. Choti U ki matra and badi U ki matra. Ju. Ju. Next Ru ki matra. Jru. Like this. Okay? Jru. Next, A की मात्रा जा लिखकर A की मात्रा. J. I की मात्रा. Jai. Okay? Jru. J. Jai. Now next, O की मात्रा. जा लिखकर O की मात्रा दिए तो जो. नेक्स्ट औ की मात्रा. औ. औ की मात्रा दिए तो जौ. नेक्स्ट जम. जा लिखकर एक बिंदी जम. नेक्स्ट जहा. इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Visarga. Okay, children? Jaha. Once repeat. Ja, ja. Ji, ji. Ju, ju. Jru, je, jai. Jo, jau. Jam, jaha. Okay, children, practice well and write neatly.